To create a sticker on your Samsung Galaxy S26, you need to begin by opening the Gallery app and find the image you wish to turn into a sticker. From here, tap on Edit and then tap on this menu icon and select the option Lasso. From here, choose the option Snap to Shape and then just circle around the item or items that you wish to turn into your sticker. Once they've been successfully selected, simply tap on Next, and you can see that they've successfully removed the background and turned the two items into a sticker. Now all you need to do is simply create your sticker border so that it looks different from the main image, and then tap on Done. From here, simply choose the option Save Copy so that you can keep the original and also have the sticker option. Now, if you ever want to use that sticker on any of the images that you currently have, you can go ahead and open up an image, tap on Edit, and then select or navigate to the stickers section, and you should be able to find your Gallery app. So from here, tap on it, tap on the plus icon, choose the newly edited images, and then select Next. Once you've done that, you can choose the style that you would like to use, tap on Done, and you can see your newly created sticker added to your image. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.